Z star. Remember, Z star is the critical value. All right, first thing you're gonna do is get your calculator. My calculator looks a little different than yours. The wrench is the menu button. So I'm gonna hit my menu button here, and you're going to go, I'm gonna go back to where yours would be. This is what you're gonna see on your menu. So hit menu, statistics, and you're gonna go to distributions and inverse norm. Okay, you're gonna put the area right in here of what I tell you to put in. So for instance, for a 90% confidence interval, we're gonna put 0.95, we're gonna leave this at 0 and 1, and I'm gonna show you why. Okay, so let me just kind of show you why this is. All right, so inverse norm doesn't know that you are trying to find the center 95%, or 90%, excuse me. A 90% confidence interval is trying to find the center 90% around my mean. But it doesn't know that, and the calculator starts at the right here for inverse norm. Inverse norm starts measuring here. So if I ask you to put it, if I ask you for a 90% confidence interval and I needed a Z star for a 90% confidence interval, it's gonna stop somewhere like here, because here is 90%, but I don't want that. I need this 90%, so I need the value that corresponds to this spot right here. So it would leave me short. So I have to kind of trick my calculator and know that if that's 90%, we all add up to 100%, that's 5%, and that's 5%. So I have to go past this 5%, past my 90%, and that's 5% plus 90% to get a total of 95%, or as we write in here, 0.95. So for 90%, you're going to use 0.95. And I'd hit OK. This 0 and 1 is because the mean is 0, and the standard deviation is 1 because I'm finding a z-score, and I've normalized it, and so it's always 0 and 1 for normal models. And so then there's my value at 1.645. Let me do one more for you. Let's do a 70% confidence interval, right? Something 70% confidence interval, and I need to find z star for 70%. Okay, remember, it's my center, 70%. So 100 minus 70 is 30, so that means there's 15% on this side and 15% on this side. Remember, if I only went to 70%, it would go wouldn't go far enough, so I need this 15%, and then I also need this 70% to get me to that spot. And that's 85%, so I would put in my calculator on the area 0.85. All right, so that's how you do Z star.